Hindi na heart attack. But the family has a history of heart attack. Lahat ng kanyang ang parents and some, I think some relatives, heart attack lahat ang ikinamatay. So ano ba, papaupuin pa ba natin doon? Tapos antayin natin, ay na heart attack. Yes. Diba? So, yes. So, yes. Yes, Mr. Billionario, pahingi ng pera.
Last one, critics din, they're saying,
Yes.
Of course you've already said that you're here almost 24/7 because you're concerned about your staff.
Yes.
Some of your critics say you're here 24/7 because you're afraid that they might say something, they might divulge something that might incriminate you.
They are attending the Yusek Lopez.